Hello everyone, Dean Gilbert here from Repco Equipment. Today we are going to look at the pre and post report function using the Launch Pro 3. As per any normal diagnostics function, connect the VCI to the vehicle and ensure the ignition is in the on position. In this instance, I have selected Intelligent Diagnose, but this also works with the Local Diagnose function. Follow the on-screen prompts, ensuring to correctly identify the vehicle. Select Smart Detection from the menu below and allow the scan tool to perform a full system scan. Select Report and fill in any details you require. Note, this is optional but recommended. Once the report has been saved, you can exit out of diagnostics. Once again, carry out normal diagnostics, ensuring the VCI is connected to the vehicle and the ignition is in the on position. In this demonstration, we've created some fault codes that we have now repaired. We can now select Clear DTCs, which should erase them from the applicable systems. Now, Compare Results can be selected, which will bring up a list of previous reports. Select the report from your pre-scan, and a scan tool will link these two reports together, showing pre- and post-scan results. Select Report and create a new report with both pre- and post information included. This new combined pre and post scan report can now be shared via either email, mailbox server or printed.